Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day is going well so far. I recently did a Walmart beauty haul, and in that video I picked up some products that I've been really curious about, so I thought I would give you both a haul update on some of the products that I've been using and then a tutorial on one of the products that I was the most excited about. I'm really hoping it works out, but I'm not even gonna lie. I'm slightly nervous just because I think it's going to be very time consuming. But before we get into that, I just want to send a quick shout out to Walmart. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. This is part of their Here for Every Beauty campaign, which is all about inclusivity, something that I can definitely get behind. Also, just a quick little heads up, if any of these products really speak to you and you don't have a Walmart close by, you can always shop at walmart.com. In fact, if you spend $35 or more, you get free shipping. And there's also a next day delivery option on some of their products, which is definitely a plus for me, especially with back to school shopping. There was lots of like snacks and Gatorade. I realize this is beauty, but just a heads up for the other fellow moms out there. If you're looking for like big old things of like Goldfish, Gatorade, next day delivery, that stuff, it's so nice because then you don't have to get out and beat the crowds with back to school shopping because I can't. I'm just ready for school to start. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to go from this like straight kind of flat hair to some big bodacious curls. I'm snapping. I'm hoping that the after is really good. I don't know. We'll have to see. But we're going in with one of the BedHead curly pops that I picked up from Walmart. This is their just half-inch tourmaline ceramic skinny pop styling iron. This is itty bitty. I have a lot of hair. Not only is it long, but it's thick. So I'm gonna have to like pop on a good show or something, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. So as you can see, my hair is very long and it is thick. So this is gonna be a time consuming process. First things first, I'm gonna go in with some dry shampoo. My hair is clean, but with the amount of time that I'm gonna spend with this style, I know it's gonna be something that I wanna wear for a couple of days. And I still just want a little bit of, not necessarily like grit, because this isn't really a gritty dry shampoo, but just I really want to make sure all my roots are super fresh to death and really clean. That way the curls are even like fluffy up at the roots. So this is the Dove Refresh and Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. I will have all these products linked down below. This one has not a very good flavor, but a really good scent. I literally sprayed that right in my mouth. I feel like this is a spot that a lot of people miss, right here by your ears. I don't know about you, but when I do get sweaty, that is an area that I get sweaty at, and I just want to make sure that everything is just nice and clean. It is now 4:51, so we're gonna see how long this takes me. I'm just gonna do a couple curls with y'all on the bottom, that way you can just get an idea of the size and the direction that I'm going for. And then once I get to the very top, just to style the front pieces, I'll be sure to hop back on the camera and show y'all what I'm doing. One thing I will mention is I'm really impressed with how quickly this heated up. There isn't a temperature control, it's just an on and off switch. Now for each of these curls, just because the first day, I don't mind if the curls are structured because I'm not going anywhere, but the next day I really do want to break apart the curls even more and just have like this massive mane of hair. To just kind of tame the frizz, I picked up the Salon Graphics, the BodyGuard. Not only is this going to tame frizz, but it's also a heat protectant. This is the Protective Texture Spray. It says it has 450-degree thermal defense, 24-hour humidity shield. We all know if you live in Texas, you need humidity shield, body, shine, and light hold. So I'm going to start from the back, and I'm going to, y'all, it's going to be small sections, and my hair is so freaking long. I don't know if I'm going to have to like double wrap over. The first section is going to be about this big. I'm going to take the BodyGuard spray. It has a really nice fine mist, and spray from root to tip. And I'm kind of just gonna go alternate back and forth. Some are going to be curled forward, and then others are going to be curled, yep, I'm gonna have to double wrap. Others are going to be curled back, just because if you keep curls like this uniform, then everything is just going to cling together rather than being piecey. And I definitely want more of that like piecey, voluminous look rather than everything wrapping up and bunching into one spiral. That's just not the look that I want. Okay, so wrap and then release. So, I mean, that took the length of my hair to about half. Like, look, it's all the way down here, and this curl now is up here. I'm not going to mess with that yet. I'm going to let this completely cool before I go in and really start to break it apart or pull it down. So since that curl came forward, this next curl is going to be curled back. So some sections are going to be like even thickness, others are going to be thinner, others might be slightly thicker, although this is probably about the thickest section that I will take. I don't mind a tiny bit of the end of my hair to be straight, and that might be a length that I kind of go back and forth with as well. Some pieces I might leave like an inch out, other pieces I may only do like half an inch. Just because I think the more variety, the more that it'll look like natural curls rather than someone sitting here for most likely an hour and 30 minutes maybe, curling their whole head of hair. I really don't have to hold this on here long at all either. I have coarse hair and this is still really heating it up pretty quickly. Aren't those cute? They're like crazy curly, but I think the final look, at least I hope, will be cute. As you can see, we are still curling. I didn't really want to have a defined part for the curls. That way I could really kind of flip-flop it back and forth. It wasn't really till the end till I decided, okay, I think I'm going to have a deep side part. But as you can see, I'm still doing the exact same thing as I did from the bottom, just going in with smaller sections. So some curls are being wrapped forward, some curls are being wrapped back. This ended up going by much quicker, I think mainly because I was entertained with Love Island. But if you just put on a good show or a podcast, honestly, you can get through this fairly quickly. I have to say, I love that OGX spray. The scent is so good. All right, so as you can see, my hair is now all curled. Don't worry, we're not gonna be leaving it this way. It is now 6:15, so I didn't do too bad. I will say this Salon Graphics BodyGuard, it smells so good. I've said this so many times before, but I love anything that smells really kind of like fresh with just a little twinge of like a masculine cologne type of smell. This has that. So what I'm gonna do from here, I thought I had like a really nice large pick comb. I don't. I wish I did because that would be perfect to really break apart these curls. So I am going to get some frizz at first, but once we go in with a little bit of hair oil, I feel like that helps to tame it a lot too. This process is kind of just messing with it till you get it where you want it. As you can see, it already is starting to grow and really puff out. I'm not going to break up all the clusters though, just because that will happen naturally as I sleep on it. Like I said, since I took this long to curl it, I'm definitely going to keep it for at least 2 days. Honestly, I feel like these curls get better as the day goes on. Look at how much it shrunk the length of my hair. Obviously my hair is still pretty long with it, but it took off a lot of the length just because the curls were so tiny. All right, so I think I did a pretty good job of getting my big hair dream to come true. So I definitely give this BedHead wand my stamp of approval. I am curious of trying out the other ones. Whenever I was shopping for this one on Walmart, I also saw that they offered deep wavers as well. So that may be something interesting to check out. Now, some of the other products that I hauled in my last video, this one I actually purchased twice because I lost it. This is the combo that I'm wearing on my lips right now. First, I applied the Revlon lipstick in Nude Attitude. This is a very, very light nude. So if you have a deeper complexion than me, this is like almost like a whiteout type of nude, but it's a great base to apply other lip products on top of, or if you want to wear a deeper lip liner underneath. So I have this as my bottom layer, and then just to add some additional gloss and shine, I went in with the Milani Keep It Full Lip Plumper in Soft Rose. I still do want to get a few more shades of these just because I love the formula so much. Then moving on to some of the hair care products, obviously I used both of these in today's video. I love the scent of BodyGuard. If you have very fine and limp hair, you have a hard time holding curl, but anything too heavy would like weigh your hair down, I think this would be great just because it has the heat protected, the anti-humidity, the shine, but then there is just a little bit of a grip in there without being too crispy or crunchy, just the right amount to really keep your curls structured. Now, for the shampoo, one of y'all saved my nose. I had talked about the OGX biotin and collagen. There's hair on it. I actually already got the conditioner, even though I had a ton of conditioner in my shower already, because the scent is so good. I had mentioned that it kind of has like a vanilla, sweet, slightly cotton candy scent, and I knew that it was familiar, but I just couldn't put my finger on what it was. And then one of y'all left a comment saying Britney Spears Fantasy. That is so exactly what it is. It smells so good. This I highly do recommend. I did go through and use this shampoo a couple of times. While I really liked the lather that it gave, it did make my hair feel really clean. The scent is just a little bit different. It's more of a gardenia scent, which I know a lot of people love gardenia. I just lean more towards like vanilla, fruity type of scents. Both do perform great on the hair though, but if I had to pick one, I would probably go with the OGX biotin and collagen. Whoa. I just got one of those weird floaties in my eye. This is the L'Oreal Paris Bronze Please La Terre Sun Powder Face and Body Bronzer in shade 4. Obviously, if you're looking for something a little bit lighter, you can go down. Plus, I want to say it was either shade 3 or shade 2 that looked like it was slightly cooler than this one. I really love a really rich, warm, reddish, orangey type of bronzer, so this is perfect for me. And then the very final product I have, I had mentioned in that haul video that I intentionally purchased this, hoping that since it was Landon's own cleanser, that he'd be more prone to use it. He's definitely been keeping up with it. He says he really likes it. He told me earlier that he likes that it doesn't burn his eyes like other soaps, so if you've been looking for a great, gentle cleanser that is dermatologist recommended for either like kids in your family or your husband if he's picky with soaps, this would be a great cleanser for them to try out. All right, so there you have it. That is all that I have for recaps and a quick mini hair tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle. Oh, also, this massive like pearl bobby pin, I actually purchased this at Walmart in store. I'll try to look online. I know their brand Time and True, they've been adding more and more to their site. A lot of the products are in store only, but this thing was either like $288 or $388 in store. They have so many different cute like hair accessories, necklaces, jewelry. The Time and True brand has been releasing so many cute things. In fact, I recently ordered some mules on there, so whenever those come in, I'll be sure to hop onto stories and share with y'all. But that is it that I have for this video. As always, thank you guys so much for spending part of your day with me. If you like what you saw today, you can always subscribe. That way you don't miss future videos, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye!